Hashtag not my Kelvin. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to CCTV, Canada Computers Tech Vision. Last episode, we covered the finals, as well as CSGO 2. Hey, the tech world moves fast. That's why we're here to catch you up on anything you missed. Let's go. Epic Games is making moves. It will now let self-publish games on their store if they pass the test. Obviously, Epic can't just let anyone publish games. They have to pass certain requirements, properly age restricting their games and making sure certain content isn't posted. And of course, a fee of $100 to even make it on the wall. Hey, I think this is great for everyone. It gives small companies another platform and a chance to make a name for themselves. And for us gamers, hey, more options is never a bad thing. Plus, if the small company does make a sale on Epic Games, Epic only takes a 12% cut compared to Steam, where they take a hefty 30% cut. Overall, I think it's great. Epic is giving the little guys a fighting chance, and maybe this puts some pressure on Steam and they'll lower their prices. Moving on, if you guys remembered, we talked about Sons of the Forest. If you didn't watch that video yet, be sure to check it out after this one. The game has been out for over a month now, and so far gamers have really enjoyed it, especially the AI character Kelvin. However, after the first patch update that included many fixes and additional equipment, one thing stood out the most: the sudden change of the beloved Kelvin. He is a lot smarter now, and that made gamers upset. Okay, I know that sounds weird, but hear me out. Before the update, Kelvin was far from perfect, but something about his clumsy, childlike demeanor just made him so likable. You know he was just trying to do his best, and I mean, he was the best wood collector I've ever seen. He was your best friend. But now, he's changed. I couldn't recognize this man anymore.
Don't call me. Don't come by my house. We're done.
I mean, hey, these users agree with me. Okay, look, I know he's AI, but you don't have ChatGPT as a friend. You have it to cheat on your exams. And Kelvin was my friend. Hopefully in the next update, he goes back to the way he was, because in my eyes, he was already enough. But what do you guys think about the update? Do you like the changes that were made? And do you actually like this new Kelvin? Or are you like me and your team hashtag not my Kelvin? That's it from me, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.